So we are currently on our way to camp. It's almost 1 o'clock right now. We're driving straight into this rainstorm, so hopefully by the time we get to camp, So we are currently on our way to camp. It's almost 1 o'clock right now. We're driving straight into this rainstorm, so hopefully by the time we get to camp, it'll all clear up, but I guess we'll see. We're just gonna slowly make our way to camp, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Just buckets of rain. Alright, so I've made it to camp and it is still raining quite a bit. It's on and off really heavy rain, but now I'm thinking we're gonna have to get in the back and just kind of set up back there and just kind of wait out this rain before we can even do anything outside. So that's probably what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna get in the back here in just a bit and I'll see you when we get back there, guys. So I hurried up and got in the back here because it was raining. Got back here, hurried up, got everything back here, quit raining. And I could get out now, but I'm afraid it might start raining again, so I'm gonna hold off, wait a few minutes, see if it rains or not. Because I think it's supposed to quit here in about an hour and a half or so, but it might have quit early on us. So for right now, we're gonna go ahead and try something new here. So I've got this fan, but I've also got this new thing, and it's like a mini air conditioner, and we're gonna put some cold water in it, and it can't hurt to try it because I mean it's like 86 degrees today. So we're gonna hook it up, keep the back closed here, and just see if we can try to stay cool back here, guys. But this fan's definitely helping. We're gonna go ahead and get that mini AC going. We'll hook it up to the power station here and see what it does. So let's see what happens. All right, so